What's the meaning of appraiser? Appraiser. Appraiser.
Appraiser. Appraiser. An appraiser is a professional who evaluates the value and worth of assets, such as properties, art, antiques, and other items. Their assessment is based on various factors, including age, condition, rarity, market conditions, and demand. They use their expertise to provide an unbiased opinion on the monetary worth of the item, which is important for buying, selling, or insuring it. They may work for government agencies, private companies, or as independent consultants, and their job requires a high level of knowledge and accuracy to ensure fair evaluations.